So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand display adapters. Now you're going to find your graphics card. You're going to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++. We're going to scroll down. We're going to be having 64-bit and 32-bit. To know which one you need, you're going to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find system type. So for me, I'm on x64, so I'm going to begin the x64 download. If your one says x32 or x86, you're going to get the other one. Most of you guys will also be on x64 like me. So in my case, I'm going to be getting the x64 download. I'm going to click on this right here. It's now going to start downloading. And then once that's been downloaded, we're now going to click on the installer. And then once you're on this, we're going to click on I agree. And then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. If you get this, you're going to click on yes. Wait for this to load. And now that's been done. We're now going to close out of this. And now for the next step, you're going to go to the other link which will be down below in the description to download DirectX and use the Runtime web installer. Now once we're here, you're going to scroll down, select your language and then click on download. And then click on the installer once that's been downloaded. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on I accept and then click on next. And you can untick this and then click on next again. It's now going to start installing. Wait for this to load. Once this comes up, you're going to click on next again. Wait for this to load. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you're going to click on finish. Now you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.